Hello guys, enjoy tayo guys. Woo! Shout out. Nag-init. Isda tayo. Yeah, punta niyo. Woohoo! Mainit, mainit. Woohoo!
Expert this one. Come on, Gina. Ah, so.
Kuha tayo guys, ayos. Ayan. Lucky guys, lucky oh. Ah. Ah. Ayos. Ayos. May pangsugba na tayo. May pangsugba na tayo. Ayos. Oh, di ba? Oh. Kombate. Ala kaya. Kita natin ang itong gamit ko guys oh, para pangtanggal. Ay, kapre, baliw. Yung pangtanggal. Ah. Wala man kanto. Ito yung pangtanggal natin. Pangtanggal natin. Oh. Tanggal na guys. Yeah. Yeah. Boom. Lucky oh, lucky. Shark man. Oh my goodness. That's shark. Oh. So ito yung bait oh. This is the bait. Palitan natin ng bait. Okay. Kunin muna natin doon sa unahan. Yan. So, pili tayo pili tayo dito. Gusto nyo, if you want, just go to, I bought this from Jordan store. Yes, this one is nice one. So just go there. This one is the best one. Woo! Yeah, and very nice. See. Then the hook is there. Hook. Here's the hook. Hook, 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 hook. Alright, and then okay, it's metal. See, metal. That's the one. But we're not using this one. We'll use the other one. Ouch. Woohoo. Ayun. Shout out. Enjoy watching, guys. At least we have one today. Yeah, I'll put this back here. And I have another one here. Wink. See? This one. Like this. Yeah, just to Dudley Jordan's store, selling this one. And I have also here 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30, 35. I have 35, 3.5 here. Woo! Okay, let's continue. Continue. Oh my. Okay. So shout out to all my friends out there. So enjoy watching. And yep. We'll see, we'll cook. Alright, so thank you very much. Until next time. Next episode. Next fishing. Anyway, bye bye.
Oh, sorry, Shaq.